So today we're just gonna play with makeup. I have a bunch of new makeup that I've been purchasing over the past couple months. There is a fundraiser, I'll just say that right now, that I will be at on February 3rd if you're in the Spokane area and you want to come say hi. It's a fundraiser for my sister that my other sister Jordan is putting on. I'll leave all that info down below along with the GoFundMe. I'll put that down there too, just in case you guys want to know what's going on or you've just stumbled upon this video now. But yeah, let's get into the makeup. As usual lately, my face is still swollen from my TMJ. When I'm stressed out, I clench my jaw a lot. If you guys don't know what TMJ is, like obviously I have a chubby face. I'm a very chubby person, but it gets like really swollen down in here and all I see is my chin. And I know you guys are used to seeing my chin, but I'm just gonna still whine about it because I hate seeing it. So anyway, I'm going to try and use mostly new products. Let's start. I don't think I've used this actually in a video. This is the Hangover RX. So we're just gonna prime the face with this. We're just gonna do this. And this can be used as a setting spray or a primer. Okay, so we're gonna finally use this foundation. BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Foundation. I just love that autofocus. It just makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. And this is in the lightest shade. I bought this before I even moved and I haven't had a chance to use it. I have mine in 201 Ivory. Foundation, it's got a pump, which is nice. So this one, it feels very sticky. I feel like I'm gonna need a few pumps. Just gonna blend this out. The color is really good. I'll give them that. The color is really good. So the concealers I'm going to use are just the BH Cosmetics ones, but they are shades that I haven't used before. So I have shade 100 and the white one. This one's really thick, so I feel like I have to really work with it really fast. Because I've used 101, I think, whatever the normal one is. It's a very, very thick concealer. I really want to use the white one too, so let's just use a little bit of the white one. A little bit of the white. Whoa. Okay, a little bit turned into a lot. That was an accident. Let's blend it out and hope that I'm not going to be... I'm going to set it with my normal powders just because I don't really have a new powder. That's not something I really buy often. So now that my brows are on, we're going to move to eyeshadow. I think I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. A Too Faced palette in a tutorial in a while, it feels like. So we're just going to go with this. I like that there's actually a decent sized mirror. I feel like they finally listened to everyone about that. So this is what it looks like. So I'm really impressed with the formula of both the mattes and the shimmers in this palette upon swatching, and it smells amazing. So we're just going to jump in. I think I'm going to use So Bougie, but we're going to go with this guy right here and put that in the crease just to start. This is So Bougie. I'm just going to buff that into the crease. I don't think we're going to do anything too crazy today, but we'll see. I'm going to use Rollin' & Dough, which is the matte cream shade down here. There aren't a ton of matte shades, but there's literally everything you need, given you don't have real options, but you've got everything you need. So, and they work for me. I'm just going to take Chocolate Truffle, this one. I'm going to take those same shades. I think I'm going to try a little bit of Moneybags, which is the green in the palette. I like the way it applied more with the fluffy brush, but I don't want it all over my face. So let's see. I think I'm going to use a little bit of the Hangover RX spray. I'm just using a little bit of So Bougie, which might be a little dark for a transition shade for me because I am so fair. But I'm just going to use that to buff out those edges a little bit. And I am going to create an edge with Moneybags by taking a angled brush and just kind of... I really want to use Rich Girl, which is literally the reason I bought the palette, which is this beautiful shade right here. I think I'm just going to use a sponge tip applicator because I have one sitting right here. I like sponge tip applicators. I feel like they just pack the color on. There we go. I think I'm gonna use that Double Ego Per liner that I had been using. Queensland, I think. A little like coal side. I just really want to give something for that green to stick to. So now I'm going to use that dampened angled brush and pack that in there. That fallout though, not a fan of the fallout. I feel like I need to like deepen it up. I'm going to take a little bit of Decadent, which is the black. Just want to kind of deepen this outer corner a little bit. So I got this set from Per. Maybe I'll use the gold. We'll start with the gold. And this one is Queenie. It's got a little applicator thing. So let's see if this makes this any better. Oh, that's gold. Ooh, girl. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of OMG, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna take this tiny little e.l.f. brush. I'm gonna spray it, go back into Rich Girl and see if I can get... I think I need to just move on to liner and lashes. So I don't have, I mean, I probably have a new liner, but I don't really want to use a new liner because I'm stubborn. So we're just gonna use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster pen. I'm just gonna put a crazy, I'm thinking a giant wing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter on my inner corner. Stila Diamond Dust. I'll put it right here. Okay, so we are going to apply some mascara and be right back. I've never tried the Queen Bee lashes from Cocoa Lashes, but of course I've heard a million great things about them. All right, so we've got those lashes on. I feel like it improves the look quite a bit. Lashes and liner fix everything, in my opinion. I have a new contour, but I've been loving using the Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro palette lately, which is this guy right here. Which when I first got it, I wasn't completely in love with it because I've always been obsessed with the Ultra Contour palette. When I got this, this is like for being this is for being VIP Rouge at Sephora. I thought this would be a great highlight brush, which it would be, but I've been using it to contour and I kind of love it. Love it. So we're going to use this guy. Just gonna try and get those cheeks a little slimmer and this jawline a little less round. I really like this brush because it blends really well, but it also can give me kind of a sharper contour if I want. It just depends on how much I blend it out. And then I like to run a little down my nose. And then just if I want to be a little extra, I use that darkest shade right there. This one. Tap in it just a little bit, tap it off, and then just kind of keep it towards the back of my contour, not all the way, just towards the back. Blend it down a little bit. Have this highlighter from my BoxyCharm from Per. Used both the highlight and the blush, I think. These are really, really pigmented though, so I'm a little scared of them. This is the brush I've been using for highlight. It's just out of some brush set from Amazon. Ooh. I don't think that I've used this one before. Maybe I have. If I have, I'm sorry guys, but this is a Ulta liner, Piston Bear. Okay, so the new lipsticks that I haven't tried yet that I'm going to use are from Makeup Revolution, and they are Life on the Dance Floor VIP lipsticks, and I'm going to use a mix of Elite and Invite Only. And this one's invite only. I'm just going to use a little bit because it's lighter. All right, love, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what your favorite new beauty products are down below, which items you think I should try. Let me know what kind of tutorial you want to see next. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. Hopefully I will be better at getting videos up. Again, life has been crazy lately and it's going to continue to be a little crazy for a little while, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Wow, I look tired. Story of my life. Just breathe that in hardcore. So how have you guys been? Tell me about your life. I look ridiculous. Okay. Chunks of glitter falling off my face. This one, it's falling apart, but this used to be like my jam blush brush. So we're just going to, look, it actually fell apart.